Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 12 of the July Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, isomorphic string. Given S and T, depending on the isomorphic, if the characters in S can replace the T, Okay. No two characters may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself. Okay. So this seems like it is just a lookup of the frequency table or map. So then we can do something like this. Let me see if this will work. Dot values. Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this, right? It's not going to be the most. It is not going to be the most efficient thing, but I think this should work. And I'll explain in a second. I know. I'm jumping ahead. I'm a little tired today too. Happy Sunday, everybody, or happy Monday, I guess. But let me just write up these things. But the idea behind this one is, and one liner aside. Did I miss anything? No, maybe it's okay. Let's give it a quick submit. Oh no. Why is this? Oh, it has to be in the same order. Okay, so I was wrong on this one. I probably have done this before too. Okay. So, okay. I thought the frequency table thing would be enough because for some reason I thought that the order doesn't matter. So because the order that matters, then this doesn't work. So what we want to do then is just, to be honest, just do what it tells you. We basically have a mapping and a reverse mapping, and then just confirm that that is accurate. So let's do that. Let's have mapping is equal to a lookup table, and then a reverse mapping, or mapping, if you will, to kind of. So this is from S to T, and this is from T to S. And then now we just go for each character at a time, and I guess we have to check that the length is the same. No, okay, so that's good. It could be any ASCII character, which is a little bit awkward as well, to be honest. But yeah. So in this case, then you just have four, I don't know, X, Y, and zip of ST, and that this zip basically looks at each character in S and T at a time, and then maps it to X and Y. So then now we go, okay, if X is in mapping, if X is in mapping, and you know, we can just be exhaustive and slow, it doesn't really matter. If X is in mapping, then mapping of X has to be equal to Y, and not mapping of X, maybe, and mapping is not equal to Y, then we return false, because that means that X is already mapped to another character. Otherwise, we're forced to put X is equal to Y, and then we do the same thing for the reverse mapping. And I think that should be sufficient. Yeah, and then at the way end, we just return true. So let's try it again. This time with the ordering thing. I think I was thinking of a similar problem where ordering doesn't matter, so yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, accepted. So yeah, so what is this? So I was a little bit sloppy. I thought that the ordering doesn't matter. I didn't really read it. I probably rushed it too much because I saw one line of potential. And you can actually do this pretty easily as well. But yeah, but basically what I'm doing here is that, like I said, I'm trying to force, because there's a one-to-one mapping from S to T and T back to S, which is one-to-one. Everything is forced, right? That means that if the two things in one in one direction, then you know you can yeah, then you can return it. You can actually also do it another way where you just do the count and so forth, like keep track of the number of unique things you've seen. But either way, this should be good enough. This is, for example, linear time and linear space, because Though, I know that there's not that many ASCII, so technically, I guess this is actually more closer. This is actually closer to O of alpha, where alpha is the number of characters for space, but where alpha in the worst case could be linear, right? Because in theory, your alphabet can have, I guess in theory, you could have like 50,000. Was it 5,000? Yeah, 50,000 different characters, and and this would be that long. So yeah, so linear time, linear space. Let me know what you think. This is pretty much trying to implement it. I was trying to upsolve it very quickly, but kind of whoops, didn't read it correctly. So yeah, okay, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Join me on Discord, hit the like button, the subscribe button. Have a great week. Happy Monday. I will see you later, and to good mental health. Bye bye.